In this video, I'd like to talk about how you can submit your math work online. So, math is not really like English or history where you can just type up a paper and attach it or type up a paper in a Google Doc and share it. No, you have all kinds of equations, all kinds of things that have to happen with symbols. So it gets a little bit tricky, but that's okay. I'm going to give you some options in this video. So the first option is to just use good old-fashioned paper and write normally and then take a picture of it and attach it to an email or to a submission, an assignment submission. So you can just do that. That's the most basic, easy thing to do. Another thing that you can do to submit your work, if you have a tablet, an iPad or some other type of tablet, you can use a note-taking app and then just save it as a PDF and upload it that way. One option that I would actually like to go through right now is to use your computer to write math in a Google Doc, and it's pretty neat, so hopefully you'll try this out. So there is something, once you go into your Google Doc, so we have a nice blank Google Doc here, hopefully you know how to get there. Once you're in, there is a little menu option called add-ons, and we want to go there because we need an add-on called GMath. Now, I already have GMath, but I'll show you how to get it if you don't have it. You'd go to Get Add-ons, and once you're there, you're going to search for GMath, and it should come right up. Now, since I already have it, it says Manage, but yours might say download or get or free or whatever it says in green here for you. You're going to want to get it, and once you have it, then you'll see it look like mine. You go to GMath. What we're trying to do right now is create math expressions because I'm going to work through this problem on Google Docs. So let's click Create Math Expressions. Now, whether or not you know how to solve this equation is irrelevant. What I really want to talk about is how to write down the equations and how to show your work in Google Docs. So that little mic here is my dictation tool, and I'm going to use that in order to write down what I would write on paper. So let's just see this in action here. 2x minus 9 equals 21. Now I clicked the mic again so it could know that I don't want to record everything I'm saying at this point. Now what I did record now comes up on the screen as 2x minus 9 equals 21. Very convenient. So the next step in solving this equation, I would say 2x. I'll actually show you instead of saying it twice. So I'll get rid of that. 2x equals 21 plus 9. And I insert it, and my next step comes below. All right, so then my next thing that I would want to have is 2x equals 30, so I'll just put that in now. 2x equals 30. And even though I have an accent, Google Docs totally understands me, which is pretty awesome. All right, and one last step, and we have our whole equation written up. And that is, first you need to get rid of that, x equals 15. And we insert that. And there we have our entire equation worked out. It looks pretty good. It's very neat, easy to understand, and of course, easy to share, as you already know, hopefully. To share a Google Doc, you just press the share button on the right. And we have to name it, so let's just name it Solve the Equation. So you can share it by getting the shareable link. And once you have that link, then you can let's get rid of that. Once you have that link, then you can send it to anybody. You can submit it as an assignment. all kinds of options. So there we go. It's shared. The equation is there. Everything's good.